Hey, this is Steve Spangenberg. I'm here to tell you today something crazy. If you have a phone in a car, I can tell you what's going to happen in the next 12 months in your financial world. If you have a phone in a car, you will make and save money. Period. Full stop. Before we start, my name is Steve Spangenberg. I'm a home-based business tax expert and marketing expert, and I help people make money just like you. You came to this video and said, hey, I want to make some money. I want to save some money, whatever the case is. And it's funny because I watch my other videos, and this is, after I tell them I'm a home-based business tax expert, people drop off and they're like, oh my God, you know, quit watching the video because I said the word tax. Well, guess what? We just got through another tax season. I did over 350 tax returns, and I can tell you who makes the money: the people who pay less in tax. And 95% of the tax returns I do, people have home-based businesses, and the proof is in the pudding. I'll give you a story. I had a client who came to me and said, my accountant didn't even put my home-based business on my tax return in 2022. And I said, well, that's crazy. I said, she was in Mary Kay. So what we did was we went back and we put her tax return on her 2022 return, amended it. She got over $3,000 back, $3,000 and about $28.32. And she got $614 in interest. So she got about $2,400, which I tell people when I do these things, and my phone, of course, goes off when I start recording. When I help people, they're going to save between $2,000 and $5,000 in taxes. Now, this is just a single woman. Okay, no children involved, no married couple, so she's in a higher tax bracket, and she can't hire her children, she can't hire her husband, et cetera, et cetera. So that's not bad. $2,400. That's an extra $200 a month if she kept on doing it for 2025 as well. What would you do with another $200 to $300 a month? Could you afford gas? Could you say, oh, yay, like gas prices don't worry me. Gas prices don't worry me either. I just go to the pump, stick it in, and fill it up and move on because I know that it's covered from my tax return. All right. So if you have a phone and you have a car, the IRS says for 2025, they're going to give you 70 cents a mile to drive your car for business. 70 cents a mile. You're looking straight in the face of like, hello, how do I get that? All right. That's the deduction, 70 cents a mile. And excuse me for not dressing up tonight. Just got off a call. Felt like making this video. So here we go. It's hot here. Now, a phone and a car. You're going to drive anyway. Now, I watch Facebook a lot and I watch YouTube a lot. And what strikes me funny is that whenever I see anything happening, people are like this, videoing what's happening. All right, videoing what's happening. And what do they do with those videos? Put them on Facebook, whatever. Probably don't even look at them again. Now, when I go out, when I get in my car, and when I'm driving anywhere, I'm going to the store, I'm doing something, I see a lot of interesting things. What do? Videotape it. What do? Put it on YouTube. I have a channel called The Life of Steve, and it's my channel, and I get a lot of views. Now, that particular channel is not monetized yet. However, you can get your channel monetized almost immediately. Now, we'll cover that in a second, but let me cover the basis here. You can start a YouTube business. Why would you want to start a YouTube business? Number one, it's free. Number one, you're the guy or the girl putting up videos, getting views, getting monetized, get AdSense revenues, sell affiliate products on your channel, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I'm going to just cover the basics here. I have a school that goes over that, an SKOOL, a school community, goes over all the details. That's only $7 a month. That you go to createmyeconomy.com and check it out, $7 a month. I'm going to cover the basics here and give you the key to the kingdom, because you can save on your taxes anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a year if you have a home-based business. Now I'm a little all over the place in this video because I am making it on the fly like I usually like to do. So every time you get in your car, you want to be videoing things, and you can deduct every one of those miles. All right? So if you drive 10,000 miles for business, you have a YouTube business, if it's your intention to make money from your YouTube channel, you get a $7,000 deduction plus your cell phone, plus your internet. Let's just say $10,000 in deductions. If you're in a 20% tax bracket, you got $2,000 in your pocket at the end of the year. What can $2,000 buy? A lot of gas, a lot of eggs, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. Plus, you can start making money. You can start making money. In my school, I teach people all the different ways they can make money with a YouTube channel. If you don't want to go to my school and do it yourself, that's cool too. You can go for the AdSense revenue. There are people on YouTube that are making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in ad revenue. That's insane. Insane. What if you made another $1,000 a month in ad revenue? That's $12,000 a year in your pocket. And I teach you how to not pay tax on it. That's $12,000 tax free. Simples. Now, with the gas prices being high here in 2026, I bet you they're going to go up to 80 cents a mile for your deductions. Now, you can actually go, I'm going to put this link in the description below. You could actually go to a place and get a monetized YouTube channel right away for 500 and some bucks. How insane. Maybe the price went up since I bought mine. I bought mine for 525 bucks. All right. And it makes money. So you can get a channel already made for you, already making money. You just got to get a Google AdSense account and hook it up, start making videos, have some fun. But see, we're in an economy that all I see on Facebook is this gas is too high, eggs are too high, groceries are too high, everything's too high. Well, then learn to make more money or save money on one of your biggest expenses, which is income tax, by having a home-based business. If you have a car and a phone, you can save money and make money. Go to createmyeconomy.com. Check out my school. It's only $7 a month. If you go to Starbucks, one of them mochiata shmakanakarakas are $10. Invest $7 for 30 days. If you don't like it, and ask a whole bunch of questions in there. Get me to help you for $7. And if you don't like it, go back to doing what you're doing. But my job is to get the word out there. And that's what I'm doing, getting the word out there so people can stop getting on Facebook and telling everybody how terrible their life is because they can't afford $6 a gallon gas. I live in Australia and I do U.S. taxes. I'm a U.S. citizen. Petrol, they call it petrol here, which is gas, is usually about $8 a gallon. $8 a gallon, all consistently. And with the price hikes, it went up to almost 12. And diesel is still sitting at 2,468 is $10 a gallon. Do I care? No. Just fill up my tank and roll. So that's where you want to get to. You want to get to the point where you don't care. Just fill up your tank and roll. This is Steve Spangenberg. I hope you have a prosperous day. I hope this video helped you. If it did, like and subscribe to the channel because there's more coming all the time.